not now. Just like all kids. You tell them that you can do it and you don't. Come on. Yeah, come on. That's right. Stick your tongue out at them. There.
Say happy due date. Is that your great grandma?
You can do his handprint.
And he sticks his tongue out at me.
Maybe he's hungry.
No, he's not hungry.
He just ate. And he just burped. He's such a good baby. Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Ever watch basketball?
You'll stand up pretty soon.
Oh, walk away.
Yeah. You'll be surprised it won't be long.
No.
Or it'll seem like it's not.
Yeah.
On the lower channel.
Such a good boy, Jonah. He looked different to me this morning. Like his face looked a little more.
Oh, he'll change. Like if we'd see him in a week, we'd really see it.
Really?
Or you see him every day.
Yeah.